Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, you're looking at a 2019 ISUZU NPR with the 6.0-liter V8 gas engine. It only has 81,000 miles on the odometer. Now, if you haven't done so already, please help us grow this channel and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions about this ISUZU NPR, please give me a call, 405-912-5800. On to the specifications. This ISUZU has a 12,000-pound GVW and 150-inch wheelbase. The aluminum cargo box made by Lynn Coach is 16 foot long. What makes this unique is it has a full 92-inch interior height inside, which leaves you with an 82-inch rear door height opening. So if you need just a little more clearance, this might be the truck for you. And in the rear, we are equipped with an aluminum loading ramp and step bumper. This cab interior is in very nice condition and is spec'd out with all the normal amenities you would expect on a 2019. And if you're wondering, how do I buy this truck? Well, we do take cash payments and we offer very competitive financing. And an out-of-state purchase is just as easy as if you were sitting across the desk from me. Keep in mind, we do have coast-to-coast delivery available and optional nationwide warranty coverage. For the power plant, we have the awesome GM Vortec V8 gas engine, this 6.0 liter with 81,000 miles. And let me tell you, this 6.0 is the only way to go. Diesel's out and gas is in. You don't have to deal with the 1,000 problems that can arise from the diesel emission systems. You don't have turbos going down, injectors getting clogged. It's so much more simple of a vehicle. Plus, the logistics of parts and service is so much easier. I mean, anybody can work on these. If this isn't exactly what you're looking for, be sure to check out our website. We have tons of used box trucks. In fact, we have one of the larger used box truck inventories by privately held companies in the U.S. And remember, my name is Jeff, and I'm here to help you grow your business.